We're asking the U.S. to help support the Uyghur people and the other people of East Turkestan who are currently undergoing genocide by the Chinese government. So we're marching from the White House to the Capitol Hill, and based off of these chants you can hear them saying things like independence for East Turkestan because we're an occupied territory. China, the U.S. help us shut down the concentration camps because right now we have, at least 3 million of our people in camps where they're forced to denounce Islam, adopt atheism, and pledge allegiance to the Chinese state. They're being tortured, and these bodies are coming out dead. And one of the prisoners. Former prisoners, so I was actually here, she was talking about how these are actually extermination camps. They're actually not re-education camps. They're meant to basically wipe out the Uyghur population. In her cell alone, over 9 women died. These flags that you see behind me, the blue flags, this is the flag of East Turkestan. It's a nation under the occupation of China. You will actually see these flags in the country because China prohibits any of these flags from being shown. A lot of people don't even know that the name of our land is East Turkestan. China has renamed our region as our country as Xinjiang, which actually in Chinese means new territory. We're trying to call on the international community to come support us and really speak out against this genocide that really not many people know about and not many people seem to even care about, to be honest.